Okay, good morning, everyone. I am sorry, first of all, for getting this video for this week out later than normal. But here we go. This week, we begin our final project of the year. So the next 3 weeks, you'll have 1 to 2 assignments per week. But you can work through them as quickly as you want. So if you want to finish all the rest of the work for chemistry, it is posted and ready to go. The calendar, which is linked in this email, has all of the due dates and the lock dates for the different assignments. Things will continue to lock on, things will continue to be due on Friday at 11:59 p.m. and then lock the following Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. The only exception is the very last week where I've set the due date for Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and lock Friday at 11:59 p.m. because that's our last day of school. And I need a little bit of time to grade this stuff. So once I catch up on grades, I will be grading these projects on a rolling basis as they come in. So you may have your final chemistry grade here sooner than you think. The project focuses on a town which had all of the fish in the river die. And so your job is to look at various water quality data to assess what happened and who is to blame for the fish kill. Your final summative will be a PowerPoint, which you turn in and explains your analysis of the data and your conclusions. As an update on some ongoing things, I will not be doing my evening live lectures anymore on Mondays and Thursdays because we don't have any new content to go over, so there isn't really anything for me to talk about. I am still working on grading the chemical reactions exams, and I'm hoping to have everything updated by tomorrow afternoon, and we'll let you know via email when that happens. Finally, if you have any missing assignments from the trimester, please reach out to me to make a plan for how to get them turned in and get caught up. You are all so capable and can all earn credit this trimester, and I'm here to help with that, so please reach out to me. Really, people are not earning credit right now only because they have missing assignments, not because they're doing poorly on them. So please reach out. Let's get that stuff turned in. As always, stay safe and wash your hands. I'll see you guys later.